Hello everybody, welcome to Canadian Immigration Channel. This time I would like to discuss the topic which was slightly touched upon before. What would happen if my PR card has expired? Will I be able to come to Canada or not? Right? What should I do? Where to run, where to go, and how to deal with this situation. Now, first and foremost, I believe we spoke about it before. If your PR card has expired, it does not mean that you are not a permanent resident of Canada anymore. Take your passport. So say I don't know when your passport in your home country expired. You're 45. You're about to exchange your passport. You forgot about it. Are you not a citizen of your country anymore? Of course not. Right? You are still a citizen of the country where you were living, where you were born, or the country which gave you this passport. So the fact that the piece of document has expired does not actually seize you of being a citizen of that place. So the same applies to a PR card. If your PR card has expired 50 years ago, you are still a permanent resident of Canada, though of course there would be questions to you upon arrival to Canada. Now, what would happen upon arrival? The biggest question people are asking us, or the biggest challenge they face, is whether you would or would not be allowed to enter Canada. The answer is simple: yes, you would. Under any circumstance, you still will be allowed to enter Canada simply because you are still a permanent resident. The officer cannot kick you off. They cannot tell you to go away, right? There are two possible ways. Option number one, the worst scenario, you were not able to persuade an immigration officer in your case. You were not able to explain yourself properly, and well, deportation order has been issued, right? You will still be allowed to enter Canada. You will still have 15 days to appeal this deportation. So if you do everything right, you will have plenty of time to prepare for the appeal, to prepare the appeal and apply. Of course, you have still 15 days, but afterwards, the hearing itself will take place probably in a year, 2 years, right? So you would have plenty of time to establish yourself in Canada, demonstrate that you are a genuine permanent resident. Option number two, you were lucky and successful enough to explain to an officer what was the reason why you actually was staying away from Canada, why you were not able to meet residency obligations. It could be sickness, it could be a sort of an illness, it could be personal circumstances which were beyond your control, so you were not able to enter Canada, and now you are indeed coming back here. We would strongly recommend using the land border crossing between Canada and the United States. That is the circumstance, and that's the place where you could actually talk it over with officers face to face and explain your situation and provide additional documents. Moreover, if you need help here, if you need us to be with you, we can meet you in the States, we could pick you up, we could drive you to Canada, and we could be present at the discussion with the officers. Got questions, want to discuss it in details? Feel free to drop us a line. We'll be absolutely glad helping you out.